中国为什么不能没有新疆？如果没有新疆，中国的版图就少了1/6。
Ha 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 ha. Okay, what they're basically saying is, why can't China live without Xinjiang? Okay, first of all, you have to know this is the video from Chinese Communist State media. To who? Who is the audience? The audience never is Uyghurs or Tibet or Mongols. They are making this type of video to Han Chinese immigrations or Han Chinese invaders. Okay, what they're saying is, why can't China live without Xinjiang? Okay, Xinjiang means new territory, which is named after they invaded our land, because then it become their new territory. We have to understand Xinjiang is new territory after Chinese invasion, okay? So this saying, without Xinjiang, Chinese territory would reduce 1/6. Of course, if you look at this map, my land, East Turkestan, is 1/6 of whole current Chinese territory. Yes, that is true. If they did not invade our land, their current territory would reduce 1/6.